4 hours to render? Are you kidding me? 4 bloody hours. So the battery is on 2%. It was down to 1%, and it's only 2 hours 36 minutes left, and it's 47% done. But I've had to unplug the hard drive, which was on one of these kind of things, and I don't know what's happening now. It hasn't moved. It's not making any noise, and because I've had to take the hard drive out, I think one of the video files not going to render properly. But at least it's charging now. 3 hours till it's fully charged. What the hell? But it's not rendering. It's definitely not rendering the file. It says it's gone to 48%. Could this be a battery issue? Why is it even trying to use the battery when it's plugged in? So, I haven't been to sleep in God knows how many days. Nearly a whole month now.